Hey there, have you ever thought about building a swimming pool or spa with a alternative product to your shotcrete pools? You might want to take a look at this Perfect block, which is an ICCF block, and you can build your pool with it. I'm just going to kind of do you a little how-to here, a little show. This is 3 steps that are going to lead up to this. This is like a plunge pool, so we can cool it or heat it, right? So we've got jets in here. By the way, in the background is the beautiful Sea of Cortez in Mexico. And we came across this product because it's hard to get a shotcrete rig down here. So it's not every day that you see pools being built. So I'm just giving you a show of what we're doing here. If you're not already familiar with the block, you can see that the block has grooves in it to create a core, which is a 6-inch core in this situation. And you get, we use 1/2-inch steel. So you have vertical steel that ties down into the floor. We pour the floor first, and then we put these vertical pieces on. And then we drop the block down 1 course at a time, putting a horizontal bar and tying it to the vertical bar that's in the concrete. So what you're getting every 12 inches is a horizontal bar and a vertical bar, and they're all tied together. This is also grounded for safety. You can make steps out of it, which we've done here. I'll just kind of walk you through. This will be glass tile on the inside of the pool, fully waterproofed, and on the outside of the pool, we're going to have a stucco finish to match the house. As you walk along, we can see that we just cut the block wherever we need to. It's easy to use, hand tools. You don't need any special tools really to cut this. You just got to have a plan and make sure that everything's working, and double check yourself. You can see there's a great shot of the return lines, the jet lines. We have electrical lines running in there for our LED lighting. And we're also going to have a fireplace on the back wall. Right now, this is in the plumbing stage, right? The rough plumbing stage. So you can really see detail of what we're doing. Tomorrow we're going to be pouring concrete to the top of these form boards to create our ledge for our bench coping. And there will be a fireplace on this. This will be a completely raised wall, which we will also make out of the Perfect block, which will be as high as that wall. And that will create a place for our equipment. This will be our equipment room. Everything is under pressure. We pressurize everything to make sure that there are no leaks before concrete, which any builder should do. I'll walk you around here. And you can see all the plumbing, just like standard plumbing. This will all be supported and backfilled after concrete, and then we'll have a nice patio all the way around it. There's a water leveler here and a skimmer over there. I'll take you back over there. But you can really see, you can adjust and make an absolute custom pool using this Perfect block. We've done several pools with it, and we have had no problems. In fact, it's so easy to work with. I can't even tell you how easy it is to work with. But you got to keep your head in the game and keep everything level. We just use shims and the spray foam glue with a little pistol to set all the forms in place. And then like I say, we did a stucco on the outside. And this is a skimmer. So this has all the bells and whistles of every other pool that you can think of. Here's a close-up view. We're making some nice rounded steps here. That will all be full of concrete, super strong. And again, we have the rebar in there, horizontally and vertically. So if you're thinking about building a pool and you want to use an alternative method, I would highly recommend that you take a look at the Perfect block. It's a super good product. The cool thing about it is you can start and stop whenever you want to. There's no rush. You don't have to worry about concrete drying as you're setting up the walls and working, and if you want to add a line or do something different. There's plenty of flexibility in that, and that's what we love, because if you've ever been around a shotcrete rig, it's chaos. and things go quick and they harden, and if you've made a mistake, you're stuck. Where this allows you to fix any situations that need to be adjusted before you fill it. Once it's filled, it's done. So you want to make sure all your penetration points, all your pipes are coming through the block in the right situation. Now again, this is all going to have decking all the way around it, and we're going to do LED lighting. So these Hollywood type steps will be lit at the cantilever. It's just going to be fantastic with a fireplace on the back wall. This will all be finished out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this gives you something to consider, and it can be done. Have a great day.